Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set the video background for incoming calls back to the default on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and from the home screen open up the phone app. Then in here tap on the more button. From the pop-up menu tap on settings. In settings tap on call background. Then tap on background. Now to set it back to the default, you want to go down here and tap on this one right here. So that is the image background, the default factory image background. Then tap on set as call background. Now tap on the back key, or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. The next time you receive an incoming call, you will see that your phone will display the default background. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.